How's it going, everyone? My name is Bobby and you're watching Mind Island Design. Today I want to show you how you can easily recolor your artwork in Illustrator. Let's say you design this logo for your boss or for your client and they want to see it with various color palettes. This is how you can do that process very quick and easily. Let's just begin by selecting our artwork, and you can either go to the Recolor Artwork icon at the top here, or you can go to Edit, Edit Colors, and Recolor Artwork. I always like to create a copy of my original color palette just by selecting this folder icon at the top, and I'll just rename this Original. And let's just begin by selecting our swatch library icon here, and I'll select something a bit more neutral, like prehistoric sounds good. And I can go through my prehistoric presets just by selecting the Harmony Rules drop down at the top and just scroll down. And sure, let's make a copy of this color palette as well. Again, by selecting the folder icon, and I'll just title this 2. So let's say I like the color of the icon, but I want to keep the text color the same as the original. How you can do that is very easy. You just select your magnifying glass icon, and this is more useful for if you have lots of different colors. For me, I only have 4 different colors. So once you find your text color, you just want to select your exclude button here, and I'll just deselect this magnifying glass. So now any color palettes that I select will change the color of the icon and leave the color of the text. Okay, so that looks good. If I want to further edit this, I can go to Edit and link Harmony Colors. For me, it's already linked. So any adjustments you make will affect your entire color wheel. Sure, that works. And you can make further adjustments by selecting your color mode option here and go down to Global Adjust. And then you can adjust your saturation, brightness, temperature, and luminosity. And you can always revert to your original colors by selecting this eyedropper tool at the top here. So yeah, that is how you recolor your artwork in Illustrator. I hope this video helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and follow us on all of our social media to stay connected and never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.